Good day everyone, it's Lubem Johnson from Lubem TV. Guys, today I'm back with another video tutorial. Guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn Honda Shadow into a bomber. Guys, this is the Honda Shadow I got from a customer and I have started chopping up the back already. So he called me, he said he wanted me to customize this bike to become a bomber, just like what is on my word here. Okay, and that's what I love doing the most. So in this video I will chop this bike up and I will customize it to become a bomber bike. This is a V6 engine bike. This is a full-time power bike. Okay guys, today I'm going to teach you how to do this step by step. So without further ado, let's go straight to the video. And guys, I'm chopping this bike off, as you can see. So now we are gonna do some build up. So now I'm gonna do it my own way. I'm chopping the original frame off. Now I'm gonna rebuild it my own design. So now let's do that, guys. Okay, and now we are at this level on this Honda Shadow tutorial, and I'm about to do the coupling. I painted the bike. Again, this is cool. You see, I painted the engine matte black and giving it the frame color pure black, and this is the color I give this engine cover. You can see, and it's pretty good, guys. So let's do the coupling stuff, guys. And I think it looked pretty good. So now I'm gonna do the hook. I wanna do the hook, and that is finished.
Do that.